You know, there has been a great scientist, Alexander Fleming. Once, when he was growing a culture, he found that wherever there was a fungus called penicillium growing, the bacteria were not able to multiply. So this really got him interested. So he extracted a substance from penicillium and called it penicillin. And that started the beginning of antibiotics. The word anti means against. Biotics, living beings. Now it's very interesting. Antibiotics are extracted from microbes to be used against microbes. Today we have many antibiotics, not just penicillin. There is streptomycin, tetracycline, and so on. And all these antibiotics are prescribed by doctors because they can stop the growth of microbes. But it's not that you can just take any antibiotic. There is usually a culture developed to see which antibiotic will be useful. Only then that antibiotic is given. Some antibiotics can even cause a reaction, especially penicillin. So usually doctors first give a test dosage to see whether it is suitable to a particular person or not. Then only antibiotics are prescribed. So our medicines or the medicinal use, we have antibiotics. Like first one was penicillin, and it was called a wonder drug. But then tell me, what is better? First let the disease happen and then take medicine? Get bound to the bed, not play, not enjoy, not go to school? What is the way out? There is a way out. Prevention is not better than cure. It is the only cure. If you maintain your body hygiene, if you maintain environmental hygiene, if you take care of your food, you will probably saying bye-bye to diseases. Now, there is another thing. There was another scientist, Lord Jenner. What he observed, that cow men did not develop smallpox. So again he was intrigued. What is it? So he realized while milking the cows, they developed sores on their hands. And through them, the microbe causing these diseases, they enter their bodies. And somehow they become more resistant to these microbes. So from there he developed a concept which is called vaccine. And the process of giving vaccine is called vaccination. From where did this word come? From vaca. Vaca means cow. So because this idea came from cow, it is called vaccination. Today, every day when you hear the ads, especially Amitabh Bachchan, what does he say? Pulse polio. Everybody to have pulse polio, the children. So nowadays, we have vaccination for many diseases. We have vaccination for tuberculosis, we have vaccination for smallpox, chickenpox, measles, hepatitis. All these vaccinations improve our immunity. How do they do it? I will give you a very interesting example. If sometimes a burglar, God forbid not, but if a burglar breaks into your house, there are some losses maybe, but then what will you do next time? You will certainly analyze what was the weak area, how he could enter the house, isn't it? And then next time you will take precaution. Had you forgotten to lock the house, you will become more particular. If the lock was weak, you will put a stronger lock. That's what even countries do. Why do we have defense? To protect us from the invaders. And that's what is the role of vaccination.